Yo, I just got a knock on the door. I went, found this package. I didn't order anything. I'm like, what's going on? I didn't even understand what it might be. Got my Samsung Gear VR. I didn't think I was gonna get this thing for months. I'm really excited. I hope they have like, I hope they have some kind of like app or something where you can ride a roller coaster or something like that. I've never done virtual reality. This is gonna be awesome because when I was a kid, oh, and it fits over my glasses. That's awesome. I can wear my glasses when I have it on, which I thought might be a problem. But yeah, when I was a kid, I remember going, check this out. I remember going to like I don't know if it was like a museum or some institute somewhere, and I don't know where I was, but they had like a big room and we all sat there and they played like we were on a roller coaster, and it really felt like we were on a roller coaster even though you were sitting in like a movie chair. And I've never experienced anything like it since, so I'll let you guys check this out with me. I'm sorry, I've never seen one of these before. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on here. Looks like this comes off and the phone snaps into here. I'm going to take that cover off of the phone, I guess. Flying the drone is going to be awesome. Pops, are you excited? I don't think it's going to work on you, but we can try.
Spend all my money on pretty things. Diamond takes shoes.
It's getting interesting now. Things are getting exciting. Yeah, I'm not going to pretend I don't feel like such a nerd. Oh, what's it doing? Oh my gosh. This is no joke. Holy. Yo, are you kidding me? I'm like floating in the middle of a room right now. I'm not going to look there. It says look here to acknowledge, but I'm trying to get the best. This is insane. Is there really something? There's stuff behind me. You've got to be kidding me right now. This is probably the coolest thing I've ever experienced.
Those diamond rings, yes, I spend my money on those fancy cars, on a jack in the box, and go trips to Mars. Yes,
Yeah, this is crazy, you guys. I'm going through like a mine shaft right now, but I'm on like a roller coaster. Holy crap. This feels so real. My heart's like, oh my gosh. Are you serious? Alright. Trying to explain to you. Oh, there's bats. Oh my god, there's bats flying at me everywhere. Holy crap, they're literally flying right at my face. Okay, I'm falling. Holy. Yo, this feels just like you're on a real roller coaster, and I'm seriously bugging out right now. You've got to be kidding me. Woo. Oh shit, I gotta stop. Oh my gosh. Yo. I can hear it still going. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just had to stop that thing. I'm gonna take this off for a second. Explain to you guys what just happened. Oh my god, that just bugged me out. Alright, so that feels like I was really at that place right now. That is probably thrilling for a little kid. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how much that just bugged me out just there. When I say bug me out, like it started running me like up like a corkscrew in this thing after it just dropped me off the track, and I actually felt like I was falling. Like I had every sensation like I was falling, like in a dream. And then I hit the track and it started going up. And then I looked up this way and I was still moving this way, and everything just made me extremely dizzy for a second. I haven't been on roller coasters or anything like that for a long time. That is the most fun I've had in so long. It just legit bugs me out. I'm gonna be alright, but it's like, whew, I got like real dizzy and everything. And my eyes, they're cool, but like they don't adjust well to changes. So I think, yeah, I got a whole bunch of sweat all over me. That is so intense. I can't even tell you, that is so intense. I'm gonna have to actually like work myself into that. If I didn't get that dizzy feeling just now, it would have been fine. I shouldn't have looked up this way because I was still going this way, and I was seeing everything change. And when I looked back, all of a sudden I started getting like real dizzy, and I haven't felt like that in years. So I'm gonna give this thing another shot in a minute. I'm gonna calm down, eat some breakfast. This thing has so far exceeded my expectations already. You see people put these on, but man, you're really in a different world in there. Good Lord. I'll be right back. I gotta eat some food. Okay, I calmed myself down. I gotta take the dog out, and I'm cooking myself some lunch, but I've gotta try that again. In there, and all you people that have seen this, I would tell you know, leave a comment below if you've used one of these things before. What did you feel like the first time you did it? Was it crazy, or were you not thrilled? I mean, I'm completely thrilled. I didn't even know it was going to be fun like this. And the truth is, the only thing I really thought I'd use this for was the drone. But I didn't know they had all kinds of crazy apps like this. Let me check this thing out again. I'll try to describe what's going on as I watch. It's the same thing as before. Now, I never sat in the front of the roller coaster, so that's getting me already. I'm gonna act like I'm holding on because I can see two little hands holding on right here. Oh, look, I got two legs. They don't know I got a prosthetic. Alright, so it's a big like mine. There's some wood. I feel like I can touch right there. Some wood beams just set up. Like, this would take my hands off. I don't even know what I'm touching in real life. I'm reaching out for like these wood beams. Completely wooden track. And then when I look down, it's a big red roller. Alright, here's where I fall. And then now here's the bats that are literally flying right past my head. And that one just hit me. The bridge just broke. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Oh my gosh. And I'm back on the track, and I'm going really, really fast. Oh my gosh. And here's where I got dizzy the last time. I'm not gonna lie, I just closed my eyes to get through this dizzy part. Underneath a rock. Oh my god, I'm gonna go down. Oh my god. Woo! Yeah, this stuff's all coming so fast. Oh, they just launched me. I'm in the air, and I'm back on the track. Still in the mine. Yeah, my entire body is worked up. My palms are sweaty, they're wet. They're actually like, oh, I'm about to go down real far. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. My mind does not know that this is not real. My whole body and mind are reacting to this like it's 100% real. It's beautiful now. There's dragons. There's little mini dragons flying by, leaving light trails. I'm following one. Oh, please tell me that's the end. Oh my God. You've got to be kidding me. Anyone that doesn't have one of these things, go buy one right now. Just go buy one. That was completely intense. Like, a couple times I wanted to rip this thing off again that time because my body's just not used to this kind of, like, when I was a kid, I rode roller coasters and stuff, and it was just exciting. Upside down, corkscrews. That, it just gets my vision and my mind going crazy. Like, for a minute there, I'd get like disoriented because there's so much changing and going on right in front of my face. But that was awesome. That was awesome. That was definitely awesome. I'm gonna go finish making my food and take my poor dog out again. I'll see you guys in a minute when I play with this thing more.
Is that your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
What's up, dude? You gonna jump in the pool? Or are you gonna stay here and watch Mimi?
I'm gonna stay.
Alright. Now it's moving?
Uh-huh.
Now look around everywhere.
Oh, wow.
Don't close your eyes.
Working now? Check out the crystals.
You're gonna fall off.
You having the time of your life?
Not yet. I'm creeping up the hill. Ready? Oh no.
Just so you know, you're on YouTube right now.
This one's yours.
Oh my goodness. That was super cool. Oh my goodness.
I'm excited to go out and try this headset, this virtual reality with the drone. I can't wait till tomorrow. I bought the damn $25 app, found out how to use it with my equipment, and I'm gonna go test it out. It's gonna be weird. I'm sitting there wondering, we'll just test it out and see what goes down.
I keep thinking you'll come on back to me. You'll come on back to me. You'll come on back. I keep thinking
So that is actually tons of fun. I got to figure out if there's a way to change the display or something like that, because all it's doing is reading out at the bottom, and I wish it showed me like this connection and the signal and all the stuff it shows me on the remote. But maybe I can find out what's going on with that. And I'm pretty sure that my remote battery was dying, because that's what was beeping. So as soon as it did, this thing turned around and came right back. But I was so far away, and I'm sitting next to a tree, and I'm all secluded. I just feel like that, I don't know if it's the app that works better. I feel like that app allowed me to go pretty far. I was only like 1,500 feet away or something like that, and it's capable of almost 3,000. I'm impressed. I like it. I just want to sit here and play with it more, but I got to go home and charge everything up. It's probably going to be 100 degrees again tomorrow, so I'll have to wait till the evening before I come out to play so I don't overheat and break everything. But I'm going to pack it up and get out of here. I hope you guys had a fun time watching the vlog today. I didn't even plan on coming out and figuring this out. It took me a little while, but first person view, flying the drone, pretty badass. But subscribe, hit the like button. I'll talk to you guys soon.